Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to make text gradients on Canva. So for this, I choose this gradient. Now let's add a text here. So I will simply type gradient text here. Okay, so once you type the text, then increase its size like this. Increase the size so it fits in the frame. Next, we need to change the color of the text. So change it to white. Then click on change all and it will change the color of the text. Now click on transparency and set its transparency to 43. Okay, now you need to download this image. Simply click on share and then click on download. Once the image is downloaded, then here in the left side you will find the uploads option. Click on uploads and then click on upload files. Upload the file that we just downloaded. Now click on add page and make sure the color of the page should be white. Now here you need to choose the image that we just uploaded and resize it. Once you are done, now click on edit image and click on remove background. And as you can see, the background is removed. Now we need to edit this again. So click on edit image and click on adjust. Now here you need to scroll down and increase the brightness. After that you need to decrease the contrast at -54. Then increase the highlight at 66. After that, decrease the shadow at -100 and increase the vibrance and also increase the saturation. So in this way, you can add gradient text in Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.